Oh look, a vending machine. So thirsty. Why isn't it coming out? It stole my money. Excuse me, do you carry any cash?
Does it look like I carry any cash? It's 2024. I only use credit cards.
Excuse me, could you help me fix the vending machine? It stole my money.
It looks like it has water in there.
Yeah.
I only work with Canadian vending machines.
Excuse me, do you work here?
Yes.
Could you help me fix the vending machine? It stole my money.
Sure. I'll get my manager.
Are you the manager? It stole my money.
Do you not see the sign? We are not responsible for loss of money.
Wait, I'm thirsty.
Well, there's a water fountain right there.
Oh, but I don't